Good morning, students. So, today we are going to start our third chapter, Fiber to Fabric. Now, let us first understand about the fiber, fabrics, and what is the importance of clothes. So, different clothes are made from different fibers. Some common fibers are cotton, silk, and wool. Some textiles are better suited to a particular climatic condition, right? In hot climate, people wear loose and light colored cotton clothes because such clothes allow air to circulate freely so that the heat from the body escapes. White cotton clothes reflect heat and keeps us cool. Now in winter, people wear thick, dark colored garments made of wool, fur, or leather. These dark colored clothes absorb heat and keep us warm by preventing the heat from escaping. Thus, people wear different types of clothes because of the four different seasons: summer, spring, autumn, and winter. Now, what is the importance of clothes in our life? Following are the importance of clothes. They protect us from heat, they protect us from cold, they make us look nice and decent. Now, how clothes are made up? They are made up of fabric. But then how fabric is made up of? Fabric is made up of fibers. So what are these fibers? A material which is available in the form of thin and continuous strand is called fiber. It's a thread-like structure. You can easily pull out the thread-like structure from the piece of cloth, and that thread is again made up of very fine strands, and those strands are known as the fiber. There are two types of fiber, that is natural fiber and man-made fiber or synthetic fiber. Now, types of fiber. Natural fibers. The fibers which are obtained from plants and animals are called natural fibers. For example, cotton, jute, silk, wool. Man-made fibers. The fibers that are synthesized in laboratory are called man-made fibers. For example, nylon, acrylic, terylene, terry cotton polyester, etc. Now here are the pictures of some of the animals from which we can obtain the natural fibers. For example, sheep, goat, yak, camel, llama, alpaca. These were the examples of those animals from which we can obtain a natural fiber known as wool. So what is wool? Wool is obtained from the fleece or hair of sheep, goat, camel, yak, rabbit, llama, alpaca, and other animals. These animals have a thick coat of hair on their bodies because the hair traps air, and air is a poor conductor of heat. And these animals mostly they are found in the cold climatic regions. So that is why their hair have this special quality of you know protecting you from the harsh cold climate. So thick layer of hair keeps their body warm and protects them from harsh cold. For obtaining wool, animals are reared and then their hair is cut and processed into wool, which we are going to discuss later on in this lesson. Wool and winters. Wool fibers trap air in the spaces present between them. Since air is a poor conductor of heat, the wool fibers prevent the heat from escaping and thus keeps us warm. That is why woolen clothes are worn in winters. It was the first fiber to be spun into yarn and it provides more warmth than other animal fibers. Next, fleece and wool bearing animals. Fleece and wool bearing animals like sheep, goat, camel, yak, etc. There are two types of hair: coarse hair and fine soft under hair. Fine soft hair is found close to the skin in such animals. The hair which is closer to the skin, those kind of hairs, their texture is fine and soft. The fine, soft underhair of animal like sheep, goat, etc. is called fleece, and these kind of hairs have a particular name. They are known as fleece. Animals having soft hair or fleece on their body are called wool-bearing animals. Animal wool and the animals from which it is obtained. Many breeds of sheep are found in India. Sheep gives milk and meat in addition to wool, but are reared mainly to obtain wool in different parts of the world. Sheep wool is most common wool. Angora wool is obtained from Angora goats of Jammu and Kashmir, and it is soft wool used for making shawls. Angora goats are found in hilly regions such as Jammu and Kashmir. Pashmina wool is obtained from Pashmina goats. Yak wool is obtained commonly in Tibet and Ladakh because that is where yak is. Alpaca and llama found in South America also give wool. Camel hair is also used as wool. Now, to obtain the fine quality of wool, there is a method known as selective breeding. What is it? Let us now try to understand. Some breeds of sheep are selectively reared by scientists. These sheep are chosen for their special characteristics, such as soft underhair or fleece, and to give birth to fine breeds of sheep. This process of selecting parents for obtaining special characteristics in the offspring is called selective breeding. Such sheep give not only better quality of wool, but the yield per sheep is also higher. So, to get the better results out of the sheep, selective parenting is done so that the offspring can carry the good qualities of both the parents, and this method is known as selective breeding. Now, given below in the table, you have some Indian breeds of sheep, right? Like Lohi. The products made from its wool is carpets, and it is found in Punjab. Nali. Products obtained carpet and found in Punjab and Rajasthan. Bakharwali. Product obtained is woolen shawl and found in Jammu and Kashmir. Marwari. Product obtained are carpets and found in Gujarat. Patanwadi. Hosiery like socks and stockings, and it is found in Gujarat. Then Rampur Bushehr sheep. Products obtained carpets again, mostly brown colored good quality wool, and it is found in Uttar Pradesh and Himachal Pradesh.